Hi guys, do you know the delivery company has been gaining profit from the listing in the Indian stock market, and I will explain each and everything about the delivery company in this video. So please watch this video till the end. Delivery is an Indian logistic and supply chain company based in Gurgaon. It was founded in 2011 by Suhil Badwa and Mohit Tanda, Bhavesh Mangali, Suraj Sharma and Kapil Bharti. After being a spun off in the early 2012 with the revenues of less than 12,000 crore in a month, and it has been able to grow close to 1,000 crore a year due to emphasizing on technology. In the last 3 years, Spot On acquired supply chain solution business and set up 2 new vertical focused on air express and non-custom customers, and Spot On net sales and earning grew at CAGR of 24% and 30% respectively, the company said. And let me explain about the company in details. Delivery rises nearly 10% after share list at 1.68 premium over IPO price. The company had launched its initial public offer IPO on May 11th. The shares of Indian largest fully integrated logistics service company by revenue climbed 1.68% on May 24th, the listing day. The initial signals from the grey market were not very encouraging for the stock to have a strong listing. The stock was trading with the discount of 5 in the grey market 23rd May. The stock opened at 493 against a issue price of 487 on the BSE, while the listing price on the NSE was 495.20. Market experts had predicted a weak listing for the stock. Looking at the muted response from the investor community, the IPO hardly sailed through. The retail investor barely participated despite the company reducing its issue size compared to earlier. The company has garnered 5,235 crore from this issue compared to 7,460 crore it had planned to raise earlier. The issue was subscribed 1.63 times when it closed for subscriptions on 13 May. According to the NSE data, the offer received total bids of 10 crore 17 lakh 4,080 shares against 6 crore 25 lakhs 41,023 shares on offer. Qualified institutional buyers portions attracted 2.66 times subscriptions, while the category for retail individual investors was subscribed 57% and that for non-institutional investor 30%. We expect the listing to be tepid and damaging as the current market heads high growth tech stock with negative earnings. Sonam Srivastava, founder at Right Research, had said about the listing of the issue. The company started in June 2011. Delivery is the largest fully integrated logistics service company in India by revenue and provides full range of logistics services, including delivery of express parcel and heavy goods, warehousing, supply chain solutions, cross-border express freight services, and supply chain software. It has built a network covering every state, serving 17,045 pin codes, or 88% of the 19,300 pin codes in India. The Gurugram-based company became a unicorn valued at over $1 billion when it raised $413 million in a Series F fund led by SoftBank Visions Fund in 2019. It provided supply chain solutions to diverse base on 23,113 active customers such as e-commerce marketplace, direct-to-customers, e-tailers and enterprises and SMEs across several verticals. Around 64% of the revenues generated by the company was from the customers that have been associated with the company for last 3 years. The company has never reported a profit, though its losses have come down over the years. The company made a losses of 891.14 crore from the 9 months ended December 2021 against a loss of 415.7 crore recorded for FY21. Revenue, however, increased to 4,911 crore in the 9 months ended December as against 3,838 crore in financial year 2021. Delivery and any other stocks that has been listed in a stock market will go up and down in future. But I will tell you a unique strategy where you can make lots of money by collecting some stamps and miniature sheet, and that is philately. So let me show you how you can buy stamps in philacy.com. So this is a philacy.com website. You can search from the menu bar, otherwise you can select whichever stamps you want to buy. Let me show you the Border Roads miniature sheet. This is a Border Road miniature sheet, and its initial price was only 2 rupees and now its price is 640, and it has given huge returns as compared to a stock market. And so if you want to buy it, then click on add to cart. After that, just click on proceed to checkout, and here you need to fill out the forms where you want to receive the stamps and miniature sheet, and this is a stamps billing details, and you can pay through credit cards, debit card, and there is a options of PayPal, Visa. I hope guys you will buy these stamps, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends and family, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end.